Hey guys, Chance Casey with Chance Casey Real Estate Group, and it's a brand new year for real estate. And I want to just kind of tie some things together for buyers and sellers of what to expect when they are looking at an offer or putting in an offer if you're the buyer. The days on market is actually going up right now. So, what that means for like the average buyer is that they will have probably a little bit more time to look at houses and make a decision. And sellers should expect their house, if they don't price it correctly or a price that causes it to sell right away, which is sometimes too low of a price, that they'll be on the market for a little bit longer than they were in maybe a year or 2 years ago or 3 years ago. If you're a buyer and you're currently out there making offers on properties, you have the option of doing stuff like, hey, I want to have my buyer agent commission paid. I want to have my closing costs paid for. I want to take some money off the price of the house. Now, it might not be the best thing to do all three of those, depending on when you go to look at the comps for the house. Because if you find a really great deal, obviously you should move on it, right? But if you find a house that's been sitting there for a while, or you expect it to sit there for a while just based off of what you're looking at in the current market and what's selling, those are kind of the three things that can save you a lot of money. So like buyer agent commission on $1 million home, that could be $30,000, right? Or $25,000, depending on like what the buyer agent charges. The closing cost for a property could be 1 to 2% of a home. So that could be $10,000 to $20,000 that you could save. And that's out of pocket, right? So like that's very important because the more money that's in your pocket, the better. Another thing is that you, instead of asking for like money off the price of the home, you could actually ask for money to be paid for a buy down on your interest rate, which could save you a lot more money in the long run than just asking for some money off now, if you apply it towards like special types of financing and stuff like that. So obviously all of those things are things that lenders and realtors are there to help you navigate. But again, you could always just ask for money off the price of the home too. So, but as a seller, you should probably expect some of these things to happen if your house has been sitting on the market for a while, because there's a lot of competition. So if you price your home to sell quickly and it's at the right price, it's what other homes are selling for in the area, obviously it'll sell quickly. But if you're pricing it higher than the other homes in the neighborhood, that's less attractive to buyers. And buyers are going to go out, they're going to see 8, 10 homes before even making an offer on one. So you have to compete with other people. It's not like 2020 where you could just put the home in the market for $1 and have it sell for $1 million over listing price. Now I'm obviously embezzling a little bit there, or exaggerating, but it's a different landscape. And so you really do need a lender and a realtor to help you navigate through these times. You did for other reasons, just to quickly get the stuff done. But now it's, to really navigate and make sure that you're getting the best deal possible on both sides. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Feel free to give me a phone call if you guys need any advice on real estate or have any questions. My phone number is 602-525-5502. Have a good one.